Hi, this is Peruvian Loki and Borgata. So let's check it out what I have right now. I have the minor 2000 bucks. So let's see what happens. Yeah, come on, I need the bird. I have the ultra spin and the extra spins. Come on. Oh, mini! Oh, 1000! Wow! Oh, 1000 mini! 3000! Oh my goodness, this is gonna be good! This is gonna be good! Come on! Keep it going! Yes! Alright, that's $100, $50. Come on! Yeah! Oh, 75 bucks, 75 bucks, 75 bucks, 75 bucks. Alright, come on, keep it going. Burma, 75 bucks. Come on. Yes, keep it going, Burma. 50 bucks, 50 more. Oh, 1250, 75. Come on. One more over there. One more spot. Come on. Go. Alright. 25, 25, 75, 25. So let's see how it's going to be. Yeah! Oh my God! Yes! Oh! Yay! 4,800! Yeah! Peruvian Lucky in Borgata, Atlantic City! Yay! Very good. Till next time.